If you're ready to make over $1,000 a day with ChatGPT and a free AI tool, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how you can get started earning money online, even if you're a complete beginner and not super technically inclined. In fact, all the stuff I'm going to show you today is pretty much copy and paste, so don't worry. You don't have to be an expert, have a fancy computer, or even have any money to get started. All you have to do is watch this till the end and start making money. In this video, we're diving into how to make over $1,000 a day using ChatGPT's new OpenAI Search feature. If you haven't tried it yet, it's a powerful tool that lets you pull data directly from the internet and then summarize it using AI. In this video, I'll not only show you how to monetize this new search function, but I'll also share a free detailed checklist to help you get started. This checklist is just part of a more comprehensive guide I've created, which I'll reveal in a bit. I'll walk you through each step to find emerging trends using AI, and then I'll show you how to turn these trends into viral videos and content that drive sales, whether it's products, affiliate links, or digital offerings. As proof, I've made thousands of dollars promoting simple links, all by leveraging AI. I use AI for everything: generating scripts, creating images, even designing thumbnails. I'll demonstrate how I prompt AI to create virtually any content I need and then turn these outputs into significant income online. What's even better is that this is just one of my revenue streams. I also receive payments from PayPal, other affiliates, and multiple platforms. This isn't to brag. I want to show you what's possible. If you'd like free access to everything I'm covering today, the checklist, the course, and a curated list of over 400 AI tools with affiliate programs you can start promoting, just drop a comment, like this video, and subscribe. I'll send you all the resources, including links to tools with affiliate opportunities, so you can get started right away. By the way, if you're new to these videos, welcome. Here, I build these systems live, share them with you, and you can copy and paste them into your own process. If you missed the previous videos, I highly recommend checking them out. I cover a range of topics like how I created a full AI-generated music video using free tools and AI prompts, which can also generate income. So make sure to check out the other videos when you can. And let's get started on this journey to making money with AI. Let's go over the process of turning ChatGPT's search function results into actual income. Here's how it works. First, head over to the ChatGPT search feature. Now, a quick note. As of now, the search feature on ChatGPT is part of the paid plan, which costs around $20 per month. If you're not ready to commit to that, there's an alternative called Perplexity. Perplexity offers a free plan that functions similarly, though the results may vary. I personally tried both ChatGPT and Perplexity by purchasing their plans to test out which one works best for different types of searches. For example, if you type in "how to make money online," Perplexity's search function will return results similar to ChatGPT's search feature. Perplexity also has a Pro option for more refined results. So if you'd rather avoid the $20 monthly ChatGPT fee, or if you're waiting to see if a free ChatGPT option becomes available, Perplexity might be a good alternative. I'll provide links in the description for all the tools mentioned here. Both tools are effective, and it's likely we'll see more options with built-in search features over time. Claude, another AI chatbot, hasn't added a search feature yet, but it's something they're reportedly working on. These tools offer great versatility for research and content creation, so give them a try and see which one works best for you. Before diving into how this process works, let's discuss the implications of AI-powered search. Up until now, we've relied on different search engines like Google, Bing, and even social media platforms, which also function as search engines. Platforms like TikTok and Facebook, where many users, especially those under 30, search more frequently than on traditional engines. But here's the challenge. These platforms operate independently. If you're looking for TikTok content, you search on TikTok. If you want YouTube videos, you search on YouTube, and so on. This separation means it's difficult to cross-reference information between sources in real time. This is where AI-powered search opens up new possibilities. Imagine being able to search across multiple platforms simultaneously, comparing data directly. With AI search, we're moving closer to a world where you could find a video on TikTok, compare it with a related YouTube video, and even determine which one performs better. all within the same search. I experimented with AI tools like Perplexity and ChatGPT's search feature to explore which data sources they pull from, though they don't disclose every source due to proprietary restrictions. However, we're likely moving toward an era where most major platforms will become accessible through AI search, which could significantly streamline content creation and information gathering. This integration of AI search also brings new opportunities for content visibility. For example, it's already possible to rank content within AI search results. I tested some queries like top video for ChatGPT search and saw video results appearing directly in the AI search, making it clear that AI-driven search visibility is a new frontier. This opens the door to using AI prompts strategically, so your content can rank across multiple platforms at once. Imagine creating a live stream that doesn't just appear on YouTube, but shows up across different search engines, thanks to AI-driven cross-platform visibility. By leveraging AI prompts, you can take a keyword or trend and make your content omnipresent. This can not only establish your presence across platforms, but also drive revenue as your content gains visibility everywhere people search. I'll walk you through this workflow so you can start using AI to distribute and rank your content on multiple platforms simultaneously. Alright, let's get started by finding news related to trending topics in AI, or any area where you want to start selling products. For instance, if we're focusing on AI, we can use ChatGPT's search function or Perplexity. It doesn't matter which. Just type in something like, "Give me the top AI news," and it will pull up the latest updates. Now, a quick note. As of now, ChatGPT doesn't pull data directly from Google. That's due to Google's proprietary restrictions, but ChatGPT still accesses other search engines like Bing, which usually provides similar information. So when you search top AI news, you might see headlines like OpenAI launches Search GPT or Google enhances Maps with AI. These indicate emerging trends we can build content around. Once we identify a trend, we can find related keywords to target on different platforms. New trends get more views quickly, which translates into faster sales opportunities. In my checklist, I noted to search for top AI news this week. After getting results, take the first news item like OpenAI launches Search GPT and put it into a keyword tool. You can use free tools or paid ones like Shine Ranker, which I use myself. For example, type in keywords like OpenAI Search GPT, OpenAI Search, or ChatGPT Search. Shine Ranker, for instance, enhances these keywords with AI, giving us an even broader list. You'll often see a mix of high and low volume search terms, with newer terms showing low search volumes initially. However, these numbers will likely increase as more people become aware of the trend, so ranking early on these keywords can pay off down the line. Now, with this list of keywords, it's time to create content that captures emerging interest. You can choose any format: live streams, images, blog posts, or long-form videos. Personally, I like starting with a live stream because it can be repurposed into multiple forms: short clips, blog posts, emails, and even landing pages. But you can begin with any format: live stream, blog post, or video, and use prompts to transform it into other types of content. The essential starting point is identifying a trend and a relevant keyword. From there, you can prompt and generate content that adapts across platforms, establishing a presence wherever people search for that topic. This approach helps drive traffic and ultimately sales by positioning your content around keywords with rising demand. All right, let's dive into the live streaming process perspective. When you're doing a live stream, there are little steps that happen along the way. For instance, before going live, I need to set up some prompts, right? One of the first things I do is come up with ideas for the live stream. So I'll ask myself, what am I going to talk about in this live stream? Let's say I decide on something like Search GPT. I use ChatGPT to help brainstorm by asking for around 10 title ideas. It'll give me options like Search GPT Unveiled, which I can use to set the direction for the live stream. Once I have a title, I can start preparing. Before the live stream, I might send out an email announcement. I'll prompt ChatGPT to create the email for me, often asking for it in HTML format with emojis. If something goes wrong, like the HTML not generating correctly, I'll adjust the prompt accordingly until I get the version I want. Next, I work on a thumbnail. I use a tool called Replicate, which can generate images based on prompts. For example, I might prompt it to make an image of me looking left at a computer screen. When the image is generated, I bring it into Canva to create a thumbnail, adding text as needed. Whether it's a live stream, a long-form video, or a short-form clip, every piece of content I create begins with a prompt. So if you want to replicate this, start by asking yourself what you want to achieve, be it a blog post, video, or something else, and prompt your way through each step. This lets you repurpose your work rather than creating unique content from scratch each time. You can take outputs from one step and adapt them for other purposes, helping you gain visibility across different platforms. For example, once the thumbnail image is done, I may upscale it using an AI image upscaler. This gives me a higher quality image for further use. If live streaming isn't your thing, you could skip the thumbnail step entirely and go directly into creating short-form videos. By combining the generated images with tools like Gen 3, you can easily edit and repurpose them. I've covered these techniques in previous live streams and courses, so if this all sounds new, there are resources to help you. For example, if I want to turn an image into a video, I'll drop it into a video editor and begin editing it into the format I need. Short, long, or whatever fits best. As you can see, this process allows me to build different types of content efficiently. Alright, so here's the rundown of my daily live streaming routine. Each day, I do a live stream, which includes creating a thumbnail, going live, and then outsourcing much of the follow-up work to VAs. Essentially, my day-to-day schedule revolves around one live stream. When I wake up, I start by checking the news, using tools like ChatGPT or Perplexity to see what's trending. Then, I build the live stream around the trending topic. The live stream itself is really just me sharing my insights or opinions. For example, if I'm discussing ChatGPT, I might explain how I use it to generate income. I could also compare it to Perplexity, for instance, and search for trending keywords related to that comparison, like Perplexity versus Search GPT. Once I have these keywords, I can then create a topic for the live stream and dive into it. After the live stream, I have the content recorded, and I pass it along to editors or VAs who handle the rest. They can take the recorded live stream and turn it into other forms of content, such as long-form videos. This is possible thanks to a range of tools available. If you haven't checked out online job platforms, I'd suggest doing so. They're invaluable. They let me hire VAs or editors for tasks like editing live streams, turning blog posts into videos, or even taking keywords and expanding them into blog posts. You can train them on your process and have them execute each step efficiently. Now, you might wonder if hiring someone is affordable, especially if you're just starting out. In my experience, you can find capable help at a reasonable rate. Some VAs charge as little as $2.50 an hour, or $400 monthly. And for full-time help, that's a valuable investment if it allows you to generate income from the content they help produce. Following a structured approach of finding trending topics, creating content around them, and optimizing everything for SEO can bring results fairly quickly. So, my daily strategy is to start with a live stream. Once it's over, I pass the footage to a VA or editor and ask them to edit it into a long-form piece, just like what you're watching here. There are tools like AutoCut that automate a lot of the editing, removing low points, adding zooms, and even captions. Once the editing is done, I take the prompt from the live stream and reuse it to make a thumbnail for the long-form video. From there, I can also generate a blog post. I do this by opening the long-form video, clicking on the transcript, and then prompting an AI tool to turn it into a written blog post. By doing this, I can generate various types of content quickly and effectively. If you master the art of prompting, you can guide others in your process, and soon enough, you'll have all the content you need across your platforms: website, YouTube, Facebook, and more. This multi-platform repurposing strategy allows you to build authority quickly in emerging topics. One of the best ways to rank in AI-driven searches, like ChatGPT's, Perplexity, or even traditional search engines, is by focusing on new and emerging trends. Targeting keywords that have only been around for a short time gives you an edge over established topics that are already saturated with content. So, in my opinion, the key is to get good at spotting news within your niche or trend, and then use prompts to create optimized content geared toward the future. That way, you're positioning yourself as a go-to authority on what's next. That's the strategy for really taking off with content creation. Just the other day, I used this approach with a live stream about Search GPT, and it got a strong 15x outlier score, which is excellent, especially for a live stream. I followed exactly what we're talking about here. I chose a topic, Search GPT, that I knew would get a lot of attention. Now, I'm ranking in the top few spots because I was one of the first to cover it, although I was still a few days behind the earliest video on it. Being among the first to create content around emerging trends dramatically improves your chances of ranking high and staying there longer. So, if you can get into the habit of identifying news, turning it into keywords, then using those keywords as prompts to create various content, like images, live streams, long-form and short-form videos, this repeated process will bring you long-term success. Most people target topics that have already gone viral, but by predicting what's next and being early to create content on it, you'll be ready when the trend takes off. One important detail to remember across all content formats, live stream, short form, blog post, is to keep an emphasis on the newness of the topic. Using words like new, breaking, or just released helps highlight the freshness and relevance of your content. For instance, new OpenAI tool making $1,000 a day grabs attention because it sounds immediate and promising. If you say ChatGPT 4 news, it won't have the same impact if ChatGPT 4 has been out for months. This focus on newness makes your content timely and appealing. So I use tools like Give Me AI News to find new developments to cover. Finally, to streamline the publishing process, I use a content scheduler like Radar. My team loads up the content, and I review everything to ensure quality before publishing. This way, the process stays organized, and the quality of each piece remains high. By following this workflow, identifying a trend, creating content around it, making sure it feels fresh and relevant, and distributing it effectively, you'll attract a large audience. If you do this consistently, you'll quickly build a strong following and generate interest in what you're offering. So, let me know your thoughts, and happy content creation. Until next time, keep making money.